Hi! In this chapter, we will work to boost our technical skills and become better at creating and maintaining some of the key project management artifacts. These tools are critical for any project manager to keep a good grip on all important project events. A great part of those are based on some kind of a table. Well, not exactly this one. Okay, much better. So, columns and rows. And which renowned program enables you to do countless tables? Yes, you got it. Microsoft Excel. And this is what we will be looking at. We will learn how to create the 5 most important project management documents in Excel. Work trackers, logs from project diary to RAID, risk log, project schedule and Gantt chart, and budget. The first 2 artifacts are mostly used during the monitoring and control phase. Work trackers enable the project manager to follow the progress of the project team against the established targets, while the RAID log helps manage and track all events that are somehow important for the project progress and success. The last 3, which we already know well, are created during the planning phase and are maintained and used until the end of the project. As explained, there is nothing to worry about from a technical perspective as no heavy formulas are needed. We will focus on the contents of the tables, learning what the important factors from the project manager perspective are, and in parallel, see some of the Excel functionalities that are often used, such as conditional formatting, data validation, and some basic formatting. We will use Microsoft Excel 365 for the lessons, but which version is not that important, as these functionalities are basic and can be found in any version. Note that these tutorials will be very useful even if you're using Google Sheets, as both programs have the functionalities we will be looking at and a very similar structure. Okay, great. Let's start with the first document. So, Project Manager. Imagine you are having your first project status meeting. You present the Gantt chart where the team can see the first 2 activities have been completed and the third one is ongoing, as we are in week 6 currently. You report that the team is now working on a 3rd activity, but you get a question like, what is the progress of this activity? Or how much of it is completed? Are we on track? What do you say? Seems so? No. A project manager must know how to answer all these questions. In fact, the first person who needs to ask these questions to the project manager is the project manager themselves. In this personal Q&A, a table must be created which can easily answer the question. That is called a work tracker. Its purpose is to track the actual progress of the work against the plan. Note, tracking happens on a detailed task level. Hence, the project plan document will not give you this information. It is the other way round. This is the document which will give you the information of how well the overall activity is progressing. In the next lessons, we will see how to build a tracker for a few different cases. See you there.